Mm-hmm. Well, you know, with this gravity drive, you know, the faster.
The electromagnetic field is very energetic. You know, nature is quite energetic. I mean, it's when you look at the energy available at the atomic level. I mean, this is why you can just take a few atoms, you know, plutonium, and make an atomic bomb. Is because there's huge energy at the atomic level. There's huge energy visible at the cosmological level. We're looking at huge stars, galaxies, quasars, pulsars, plenty of energy everywhere. So the problem is that we've been looking at energy from resources at this level, and what we need to do is look at energy at its source. And this is where physics failed. It's like it never identified the source of the energetic universe. It never it just started with a big bang and said, we're not going to go past that and figure out how it got there. And so they said all the energy in our universe came out of the Big Bang, and we're not going to tell you where that came from or what is the mechanics that produced it or anything like that. And I think, you know, that was a big failure. I think.
Well, you know, the mainstream scientists, they don't know.
From,
you know,
and I would suggest that the most obvious candidate would be the vacuum structure. You know, that most likely, since the Big Bang Theory starts with a dot billions of times smaller than the atom, a singularity, 10 to the minus 33 centimeters. So imagine you were in front of the Big Bang just before it banged. You wouldn't see the dot that all the universe came out of. It would look like the vacuum, and then boom, all of a sudden, all the atoms that makes up our universe and all its forces would come out according to standard physics. So, you know, that is, so you would say, oh my God, all this matter came out of the vacuum. And that's actually what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's not just one bang. It's constantly banging. It's constantly, the vacuum is constantly feeding everything.
Yes. Well, Nassim, we're out of time. Do you want to give out your website?
Yes, my website is the Resonance, like ringing bell, resonanceproject.org, theresonanceproject.org.
Well, I want to thank you for coming on the show today. This is a fascinating discussion, and I think we have an explanation here using your metric calculations here for explaining this replication of the Nazi Bell device, which I have plans on. What I'm going to do, Nassim, is forward you these YouTube videos that I have, and you can look them over, because I think this puts your metric, okay, to a real physical experiment, okay, that we can do here.
I look forward to it, and I really appreciate our discussion, and I look forward to, the next time.
Oh, yes. I think we're going to have, you coming back on the show here. I mean, this is fascinating work that you're doing. And,
thank you.
Even from a theoretical basis, folks, this is incredible. Incredible work here, because now we can tie the actual experiment with the theory, okay? And that is a real breakthrough. Nassim, thank you for coming on the show today. We're out of time, folks. And coming up next is Michael Ellegion, and he explores cutting-edge contact with cosmic beings. That's next on Achieve Radio. Have a great day, everyone. Hello everyone, this is Bill Alec. In this new book that just premiered at the Academy of Arts and Sciences in Hollywood, California, delves into our connection with human-appearing extraterrestrials. In Prepare for the Landings, authors Michael Ellegion and Aurora Light go into their long-standing contacts and what's in store for all of us here on planet Earth. In Prepare for the Landings, you will learn why this planet has been quarantined and how the ET connection to the Bible and other ancient writings has been deliberately suppressed. Go to prepareforthelandings.com and prepare yourself for the coming shift of the ages taking place right now. That's prepareforthelandings.com. Get your copy today and don't be left behind. Go to prepareforthelandings.com.
Oh, buried on a wire, but is your family? Do they make you smile? Do they make you sing? And you remind me